Is it a clunker? Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh shit.
Are we going right here?
Well, I hope so, because there's a big bull here. We're supposed to go through there, but we'll be on the wrong side of the river. Oh no, we're crossing the river, so we're going this way.
I think we're looking at Ray Crag, Shipman Knot, Kentmere Pike, and then around the high street. It's just nature, Juan. Enjoy it. It's just a bit of slip on the shoe.
Squelcher, that. I proper felt that right up the back of my spine. Proper squelcher.
Who's that guy? Waving it about. See that guy waving about?
Whereabouts?
Just down left side at Crag. In Bracken. Tint Bracken. It is but a tree. It is but a tree. But he's having a good wave. Hello! Someone deals with these gates round here. Bonk.
Do you know what it is? It's the less walked routes that have the nicer gates. So the worst I've ever seen is Snowdon.
is it Ray Crag or Wren Crag? Something like that. Next up there, Nisby Hill, can you see it? Where is it? I don't know, it's in there somewhere. It's that one there, isn't it? Douche. That one. Bit clagged in over there. Looks like it's blowing away from us though. So. Well, that's probably blowing in. So we might get clagged in when we get up there, but it's nice at the moment, so we shall see.
To be honest, what time is it?
It is, yeah, it's lunchtime, it's 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Hey, we've done well for this rain, touch wood.
Yeah, yeah.
So far. I mean, I'm already wet, look at the state. My body's quite dry.
Right, we found a little spot to hide for lunch now. So we've just been walking up from that way. Obviously the clag's just rolled in. All wind and rain. Clouds are low. So we could see Kentmere Pike here before, but that's gone now. I think this was Sadgill down here, which is gone now. But we're alright. We're just chilling. We've got our bag mats on. Keep our bags dry. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Bit clagged in it. Right, we're going to mooch off into the clouds, but I'm going to put this in my bag so it doesn't get wet. And we'll get it out over there.
It just looked like, well, maybe it was a sheep trod or something that was coming down there. It might have been a sheep trod out that was coming down the side of the wall that it looked like we could follow.
Could have very well been. I wouldn't mind following them sheep trods, they know where they're going.
I bet they're all in some fucking swanky apartment now.
Yeah,
chilling.
They know where all the good shelters are.
30 towers. Fuck no. There is a climb over there somewhere, honest.
It's in there. That's where we were having lunch, just up there on that hill. That's quite a climb up there, to be fair.
I thought you looked like you were struggling. Easy now.
Yeah, you probably will, to be fair.
Oh my god,
That's it, it just gets you a little bit.
Oh, let's stop recording for some reason. Hey, what? Why did it stop recording?
Don't know. Did you press a button?
Weird. Oh, I don't know what actually recorded then. I maybe missed that whole bit.
Get down and do it again.
Oh, yeah, that's that. If I were making money from it, I would do. Yeah, it's not so bad at all, is it, this, to be fair?
No, this is
I thought
nice.
it's going to be a lot wetter. Just keeps throwing down a bit of drizzle, doesn't it?
Yeah, I haven't even noticed the rain since I put this coat on.
It's not raining now.
No.
It did a little bit just then, and then it's back to dry again.
This is what we want. Nice bit of clag, nice bit of wind just for the cooling down. Beautiful.
I'm sure I can hear something like screaming, or not screaming, some shouting maybe in the distance. But it's probably just the wind, isn't it, rolling through something. Like dogs barking or something. So, maybe wolves.
You'll have to let me know if you hear it again.
Kentmere wolves.
Kentmere wolves, yeah. We are heading up to Pike now. It's just there. Can you see it?
Oh, that's definitely rain now.
Yeah, that is rain. Alright, camera, I'm hiding you up my sleeve. Right, we battled it through the flag. We are coming up onto Kentmere Pike now, if you can hear me, which you probably should be able to hear me. I think that's our cairn. So we'll go and whack one of these rocks on there, since this one deserves it for walking through all that clag. There we go. The rain was brutal, like so wet, trousers are dripping, everything's dripping, to be fair, so it's good. And it's actually not raining anymore, this is just wind and mist, so 20 minutes, this wind should be pretty dry. These guys chilling. Sup, G? Yeah, Kentmere Pike. Beautiful. Alright, we're off to the next one. Skylarks. See them little dinky birds?
Oh yeah.
There's loads of them, and
yeah.
they nest in the grass here, and then just eat little bugs, I guess. We're making it. Getting up there. You can just about see the sun there poking through the clouds.
Oh yeah.
So it's going to brighten up soon. Probably later on still. That's a blue sky there. This cloud is just going to blow off, and we're going to be walking in the sun in a minute, I think. Fucking mint, that. Absolutely lovely.
bit here. This must be part of fella here.
There we go, flag's clearing out slightly now. The way is still windy.
Oh yeah.
Mate.
Out with the claggage. And into the heart of hell. What a show she's putting on.
Oh yeah, here we go. We've got to get to see something here. So we've made it up to Hartfell Cairn. I think this is Hartfell.
Yeah, heart of hell, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're about
Here we are.
on top of it.
Let's go and have a part of that. It's full of metal, this thing. Look at all
Might
these.
have a bit of a Snickers bar here, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, so right, let's say goodbye to Hartfell Cairn.
Bye. Oh wow! Holy shit! How did I just miss that? Wow, that just came out of nowhere. Mate, I've got to get some pickies on my phone with that. Oh, it's gone, innit? There it was.
Oh, so actually, that is
gone.
horse water there.
Right.
And then this here is Rough Crag. If you can just about make that out, going up there, that's Rough Crag. This here is either small water, that one's small water. Over the top of this little hill here is Blee water, and then that mound that's coming down there is Rough Crag, I think. It's hard to tell, but I'd say so. That's definitely
Yeah,
horse
I've gotta
water. So this is Mardale Illbell. That's where me and Lou were in the last video. We came down inside there through that bowl. You know what? I think I was wrong before. I think this one actually is Rough Crag. That's Blee Tarn. And I think Small Water's actually just down the bottom of this hill. Let's go and have a little look, see if there's another little pool down here. Because I'm pretty sure that's Blee Tarn. Yeah, here we go, see, so this little water there, that one, that is Small Water, that one is Blee Tarn. So me and Lou in the last video walked up from Horswater along this path that goes along here, up there to Blee Tarn. And that's where I did a little fishing for a while and didn't catch any fish, so I didn't record it. It never happened. And then me and Lou climbed all the way up there to the top of there, and then we climbed all the way up to the top of there, and then up there is High Street, and then along there is Mardale Illbell, and then this is the track down Mardale Illbell. You can see a man there with his red coat. Follow that track down and then into Nanbeeld Pass, which is just down there. And the Nanbeeld Pass, in fact, it's over that hill, I think, Nanbeeld Pass maybe. And then we'll go down, you would go down that little track just there into Small Water. And then down there. Yeah. Lovely. But we're not going that way today. We're going all the way around that way. So let's get going. Let's go and find one. So it's been maybe 2 minutes since we would have just showing the thing, and you can see now how fast the clag rolls in. I think we'll be viewless again in a minute. Right, we're starting to descend down now. Going back down into Namfield Pass. There's the climb down. Give you a little shot of that, that's where we're going, down that way. We'll have to go around here, down. So, there's Kentmere Reservoir down there. Still got a little bit to go over that way. Views are opening up nicely now though. That's a lovely shot of Haweswater over that way. Lovely shot of small water there. 3 times higher now behind there, but yeah, cracking view there. Really nice. Let's get moving now while this is, I think we're holding these people up. Yes, mate.
Come on, baby.
Trousers are pretty much dry now.
I mean, I'm still
Yep.
fucking drenched. Oh man, my trousers aren't doing too badly.
Yeah,
this waterproof is fucking soaked, man. Absolutely drenched. I should probably change it for me warm stuff, to be fair.
Leave me hood on actually. Not losing that up here. So that's our path up to Mardale Little Bell there. friend. I'm going to pat you again. This is the second time this week I've touched this guy.
That was a bad time for winter.
Careful, man.
I proper leant into that on one foot and then the wind just fucked up me.
Right. 4-foot crag up there. Nearly there. And then just the beast to finish off. Doing good. Look at how dry my trousers are now. See, they were piss wet through earlier. Sorted. Crag, very close now. There in a minute. Look at the size of this thing. This is the biggest trig point I've seen, I think. Look at the size of that. It's bigger than everything. It's as big as a house. Right, we came up this way, and now we are going this way. It's actually good fun. Bit up and downy over there.
Bend that way. That rock wasn't fucking connected to anything, it was rolling. Oh god, ow. Oh, sorry. It's alright, fucking relax.
Hey, that's quite a big fluffy sheep, that one.
Seen some shit, that one.
Yeah. Cleared out a bit on it, so jets are out. There's our cairns for Frostwick, and then we've got a little drop down and then another little climb up to Ilbell. think we made the right move coming up this way, you know, going the way we went round, because I don't think we'd have had much views up on the other side anyway.
See loads more here, can't we?
Yeah, so if we'd have been up here Clagdon, we'd have been, you know, that would have been a bit of a shame.
Yeah, that Scottish fella seemed gutted, didn't he?
Yeah. Hey look, skylarks, spooked them off. Let's teach them, it's our turn, isn't it? Hey!
What's this one again?
This is Ill Bell.
Ill Bell. There we go. There we go.
Someone's lost a jumper here, so if you're watching and you lost your jumper, it's just here, look. Nice can. So this is Hill Crag.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, we've got two cans. Well, I think we're going to go for both of them. Oh, that one's probably the rock pop. Bloody hell. There we go.
Which one is it though? Have we got to touch that one as well?
I'm going to go for both, I think. Just to be safe.
Does that make it 9 then?
I think we can do that. Fair enough, isn't it? That's where we started over there. We've been all the way around. All the way around there. All the way up there. And all the way back down that way. Now we are under Ilbel. Let's quickly go and check this one out. Get out of the wind.
I do.
Yep, I think I do as well.
Absolutely bollocks. We've still got a bit of climbing to do, but it's not that bad. So.
Don't forget your jumper's still over there as well. That is, I'd say that's pretty much straight down there. That's a hell of a drop. Don't look down.
A wee bit yoky, to be honest.
Yeah, isn't it? Made it. Final one of the day. Smashed it. And this is Yoki. Yoke. There appears to be a cairn over there, one. I reckon this is the high point, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah,
this
maybe.
Does look like it's a slightly higher point than that.
Fucking done it, mate.
Fucking smashed it.
Point, but just pretend we touched that.
Yeah.
Right, homeward bound then. I don't know where we fucking go, but over that way and it's somewhere. All of the watch.
Oh, just a nice one of these sorts of gates.
Automatic jobby.
That's it. Needs a bit of WD-40 on there. There's Yoki.
So I didn't tell you before, but this is steep as fuck coming off here. I just discovered before when I was looking at the route down. This is why I was pissed. I was like looking at the route and then this is well steep coming off here now.
Okay.
So get ready for a fucking battering.
Yep, this is a steep one down.
Oh.
So that route down that way somewhere over there.
Wow, nice place.
It's pretty nuts, this, isn't it?
Fucking bugbear. One mile.
1 mile.
Wow, I never up here.
Are we going to fall through? No. Alright. There's a couple of people climbing it, yeah.
Oh, family climbing.
Oh, nice.
I'd love to be able to do like bouldering.
Mate, you should try it. It's not hard.
I keep looking at
Well, it is hard. It is
joining
hard.
like a climbing centre thing round me. Oh, this is wicked, isn't it? For bouldering.
Yeah, this is a great spot. We should bring Twig here probably. He'll have a fucking field day. It'd be like going to Fort Park or Alton Towers or something for him. Yeah, there's chalk all over them rocks there as well.
Like many places where people come to climb boulders.
Yeah.
Well, it's like a couple of steps really. But it's sort of scary.
Oh.
Garburn Pass.
So, Kentmere horseshoe done. There she is. These are the results. Not bad. Smashed it. GG, well.
Oh god, I'm tired. Yeah, put it there. That's fucking sick,
Yeah, man.
man.